Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty, wellness, and professional equipment for your every need. Today, we're talking about something that's not quite as common in beauty reviews, but definitely a game changer for anyone who spends long hours on their feet in a salon, clinic, or spa. The Master Massage Glider Ergonomic Round Swivel Adjustable Rolling Hydraulic Stool in royal blue. So let's get into the details and see if this luxurious, yet practical, stool lives up to the hype. This stool is designed with comfort and durability in mind. Its plush cushioning is upholstered in Italia leather with French stitching, giving it that spa-like, sophisticated look. The seat itself is spacious, so you're not cramped while you work, whether you're a beautician, massage therapist, or tattoo artist. It promises to offer the kind of relaxation you'd expect from a high-end massage chair, without the hefty price tag. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. The 5-star base is built to last, made from reinforced fiberglass nylon that can support up to 550 pounds. This is key because it's not just sturdy, it's designed to withstand the demands of a busy clinic or salon environment. It's BIFMA certified, which means it meets high industry standards for quality and safety. Unlike cheaper stools with plastic bases, this one is much more reliable. Another impressive feature? The stool comes with a chrome grab bar. This isn't just a decorative element. The bar doubles as a storage option for towels, making it even more convenient during those busy days when you need quick access to essentials. Plus, the seat has air access holes to promote airflow, which is something you don't often see in stools, but it definitely makes a difference when you're sitting for extended periods. In terms of usability, this stool is a breeze to assemble. It comes in 3 simple pieces that snap together in under 30 seconds, so you can get back to work quickly. The pneumatic height adjustment ranges from 19.5 inch to 25.5 inch, which means you can easily customize the seat to your ideal working height. Whether you're sitting high or low, it provides great comfort. The stool is also lightweight at just 11 pounds, but it still feels stable and secure while in use. Let's break it down. Pros: luxurious, comfortable cushioning with breathable design for all-day comfort. Durable construction with a fiberglass nylon base, supporting up to 550 pounds. Easy to assemble in under a minute. Versatile design with air access holes for airflow and added comfort. Adjustable height, 19.5 inch to 25.5 inch, and lightweight, only 11 pounds. So it's easy to move around while still offering stability. Cons: the royal blue color may not suit every aesthetic, though it definitely stands out. Some users may prefer a more traditional fixed height stool, though the pneumatic adjustability is an asset for most. Now let's talk about value for money. Considering the quality of materials, especially the reinforced base and pneumatic functionality, this stool definitely provides excellent value. The price might be a bit higher than your typical office stool, but it's designed for professionals who need both comfort and durability. If you're someone who spends hours sitting, the added comfort and support are well worth the investment. I wouldn't say it's an everyday budget stool, but it definitely outperforms most others in terms of durability and comfort, especially for a busy professional setting. When compared to similar products, the Master Massage Glider stands out because of its extra-large steel mounting plate, which adds extra durability and safety, something most competitors don't offer at this price point. Now, I haven't had to contact customer support for this particular product, but given its construction and reputation, I would expect that any issues would be handled professionally. Master Massage is known for its quality products and commitment to customer satisfaction. Is there an alternative? Well, if you're looking for something a little more affordable, you could consider the Hercules Adjustable Salon Stool. It's a bit simpler, but still offers adjustable height and comfort, though it may not have the premium build and features of the Master Massage Glider. In conclusion, this stool is built for professionals who need reliability and comfort for long hours. It's sturdy, adjustable, and designed to enhance your workday with thoughtful features like the grab bar and breathable seat. If you're ready to upgrade your studio or clinic seating, this could be the perfect fit. So if you found this review helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty lovers can find it too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you've used this stool or have another recommendation, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.